Dear publicans, welcome to video lecture series of your third term Smart Syllabus. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is lecture number 1 of your third term Smart Syllabus for the subject Mathematics Class 4. I am your maths teacher Rabia Sarwar. Our topic is factors. First of all, we see what is the definition of factors. Numbers which can divide a given number leaving no remainder are called factors of the given number. Now open page 31 of your Oxford New Countdown Book 4, question number 6. Write down the factors of these numbers. How many factors does each number have? The question carries 3 parts. Number 1, 54. Number 2, 25. And number 3, 36. Find all the factors of 54. Let's make a rough sketch in our mind. Look at the picture. What does it notify? It gives us some hints. There are 4 pairs of numbers written in some order. Now, if we divide 54 by 1, we get 54 as a quotient and the remainder is 0. And if we divide 54 by itself, we get the quotient equals to 1 and the remainder is again 0. Or we may check that 154s are 54. Also 54 ones are 54, giving us the information that 1 and 54 are the factors of 54. Remember that 1 is a factor of every number. Also, every number is a factor of itself. Now, we shall find the remaining factors of number 54. There are some other factors of number 54 as well. When 54 is divided by 2, the answer is 27 remainder 0 or 2 27s are 54, giving us the information that 2 is another factor of 54. Now 54 divided by 3 is equal to 18 remainder 0, and we know that whenever the remainder is 0, we get a factor of the original number. That means 3 is another factor of 54. Now 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9 remainder 0, or in other words 6 nines are 54. Factors will repeat from here onwards, so we have to stop here. Now look at the picture, dear students. 154s are 54. Then 54 ones are 54 as well. It means 1 is a factor of 54 as well as 54 is a factor of 54 itself. Two 27s are 54 and 27 twos are 54 as well. It means 2 is a factor of 54 and 27 is a factor of 54. 3 18s are 54. 18 threes are 54. It means 3 is a factor of 54 as well as 18 is a factor of 54. Now we know that 6 nines are 54 and 9 6 are 54. So we have generated all the factors of 54, which are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. These are 8 factors in total. Can you find out the factors of number 25? This is really easy to calculate. We know that 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25 remainder 0. It means 1 is a factor of 25. And we also know that 1 is a factor of every number. Now 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5 remainder 0. Here is a note on the right side. When a number is divided by one of its factors, there is no remainder. Now again, by looking at the solution, we conclude that 1 and 5 are the factors of 25. Also, 25 is a factor of itself. Therefore, the factors of number 25 are 1, 5 and 25. It has become really easy to find out the factors of number 36 now. We will write number 1 on the leftmost side, and we know that 136 are 36. We are going to write number 36 on the rightmost side. We know that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So we have found two factors of number 36, 1 and 36 itself. Now we will calculate the remaining factors of number 36. 2 18s are 36 and 18 twos are 36. This is another pair of factors of number 36. 3 12s are 36 and we know that 12 threes are 36. 4 9s are 36 and 9 fours are 36 as well. 6 6 are 36. Hence, we have calculated all the factors of number 36, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Remember that we are going to write number 6 only once. There should be no repetition in the factors of a number. There are some important things to remember. Number 1. Every number is a factor of itself. Number 2. 1 is a factor of every number. Number 3. Factors of a number are limited. It means they have some end. Now your task is to write down the factors of 15 and 49. You can take help from page 29 of your book if needed. Stay home and stay safe.